And there's one Lifeline feature that we've actually hidden because we wanted to declutter the interface a little bit, but that I personally use a lot and that we might bring back soon. I use it all the time. I'm going to show you how, and I'm also going to show you where you can find it. So to get to this feature, you need to hold down the Option key, and then you click on the taskbar icon, left click, and then you get an option here called Developer Options. And then you can turn on here show legacy options in preferences. So once you do that, if you then go to preferences here, you have this menu option here with legacy, and there you can turn on some things. In this case, what I'm talking about is allow star rating of sessions. So if you turn this on, then what you get is when you open the session label window like this, you will see here these stars. And so then you can rate each meeting and each session with a star ranging from 0, which means it will be ignored in the score calculation, which I'll show you in a second. And then, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yeah, you can apply this to any session or meeting. You can also do this if you go to review activities and stats, and then you go to your activity log. Then you also see it here, and then here you can also give the rating, or you can change it, of course. And then what it does is then when you go to your day or your week or whatever, it gives you the average rating of that day. So here, for example, today I did one session which I gave a 5, so it's a 5. And yesterday I actually had a lot of good sessions, so it's also 5. And then if I go further back, you see 4.92. You can use this for a few things. So that's also why we took it out, because at the moment it's not very clear what does the star mean. Does it mean did I focus well? Did I get my work done or whatever? So you kind of need to give your own purpose to the star rating or your own definition. And I think that's what we need to get right before we officially bring it back into the app. But I use it, for example, for me, it's like, did I make the most of this session? So was I very focused? It's a bit of a combination of was I focused? Did I do what I wanted to do? Or if something went wrong, like did I still make the most of it or not? And then I personally keep track of my productivity metrics in this sheet here, where I then use so every day I put the average star rating here, and then I get a weekly chart where I can then see here like how, is it going up or down, and do I see a correlation with some other data. But you can also use it for experiments. So you could say, okay, this week I'm going to try to take longer breaks, for example, and then see if that does something with my star rating. So then you could specifically rate like, okay, how well focused was I, how were my sessions, and then you can compare it to a week where you took shorter breaks. That's one example. So that's how you could use it. If you want to give it a try, then you now know where to find it.